everybody, welcome to another edition of Just Try DIY. Today we're going to change out these colored blue panels that are in this 2005 Equinox into the stock ones and get it back to original. Let's get started. Alright, as you can see, we have a color matched panels that are in here, but when we painted them, we had a few little issues with them. When we got the vehicle, they were white. They stuck out a little too much. So we tried to give them a different color. And for the most part, it wasn't too bad, but we had a few little issues like that. So went back to a wrench and go place, pulled some panels off in another one, and we're going to show you how to change these out. So first one's fairly simple. The panel here on here, all we got to do, see if I can do this one-handed, is pull the steering wheel down a little bit, and these all actually just pull out by hand. They're actually just in there with some little pinch pieces. You can see those there on the back, right up in here, right there. Those are just pushed in, so it doesn't take much to just pull these out. Like I say, we tried painting them at one time to match the vehicle a little better, but we're going to go back to the stock color, and we'll show you. I'll change a few of these out, and as I go along, I'll show you how they go. All right, so on these door panels here, these aren't too bad to take out. They're actually all pressed straight in, so it's just a matter of getting your fingertips to get a hold of them. And they just pop right back out. There's that one out. The new one's behind me. The front does have a little clip that does have to go in there first. Don't forget to put that one in there first. And you can just clip all these right back in. There we are. Back to the stock look. Here's these little speakers up here in the corner. It is wired in right here, so what we'll do is we'll get those taken out of there. So in order to get the panel off here, they're just like everything else. Pull it off this way. There's a ton of plugs and everything to unplug on the back. The one thing you have to remember, you do have to put the ignition in, put it into gear, so this will come out. Otherwise, this is stuck up against here. There's not enough room to pull that out with all the mechanisms on the back. So you got to pull it down into drive so you can clear it out. Come completely out, put it back into drive, shut it off, and there is another panel down here at the bottom that pulls to the back, and we go through and we can switch out these on the back, all the push buttons and the controls, and get those all switched over, and we'll put it back in. So I'll work on getting those done, and then we'll see you right back here. All right, so here we are. Got everything all snapped back into place. Everything's lined up. Everything works again, and we're ready to go with this. I still got a little work to do on the doors. We got to put new speaker connections in those, and then we'll show you when it's all done. All right, so we did on these panels, since we didn't have the right plug-in, this because it came from a different year. Went ahead and just put some spade terminals in there, wrapped some tape around the one terminal so it wouldn't touch, and make sure that they didn't arc across or anything. These are just some little tweeters for the stereo, but they are hooked up. So went ahead and spliced everything in, got it back together. Just a matter of tucking the wire back in there, get everything lined up, snap it back in, and she's back to good. So hey, here, come in here, check it out. So we got a new panel in the center. Got a new one over the speedometer and everything. The door panel over here, the little stripe down the door panel beside the handle. And then, of course, the tweeters. I have got that one still left to do on that side. But, hey, we're done here. So, hope you enjoyed this. Maybe you can go ahead and maybe you can go ahead and take them off and color them yourself, or make it pizzazzy or something. I don't know. But go down, hit subscribe, share this, and ask some questions if you got them. And we'll see you later. Bye.